this is what I bought, and the cable is not, it's not fit. This is the cable. This is where it's nothing. So what I'm doing, I'm ripping off the cable, okay, so I can connect between the short one, the green one with the green one, and the red one with the red one, and then I'll have the new one with the short cable connecting to my lights, okay. So I'll use that cable to connect with this cable, and it will work. Only electric work. So let's do this. I'll cut the black wire, okay? And then I'll see the green wire. The red wire and the green wire. Separate all out, connect between them, okay? Green to green, red to red. So after I connect all the cables and it's work, put it all together after a glue workout. Now I get back the screws and the motorcycle is ready. كده خرز